Okay, so once again, very good evening to all of you and welcome to this session. This is our internal team training, which we do alternate Wednesday. Okay, so those who are for the first time, how many of you are for the first time here? Can you just type in chat box, first time? How many of you are attending this live training for the first time? Just type first time. Okay, many people. Great. So all of 18th time. Okay, awesome. Okay, so all those who are newly joined. Great. So all those who newly joined, I welcome you all to our team mission $100 a day, right? And hope all of you get good learning and hope all of you do good business with our team here in this $25 one-up business. Somebody is not getting voice. Srinivas is not getting voice. I think he need to check his system. It's working fine. Okay, so hope you all are learning. First thing, that's the most priority. Hope you all are learning. All right. And then when you learn, obviously you can do business better. Okay. So initial focus should be definitely on learning. All those who are newly joined. So all those who newly joined, welcome to the team. And all those who are attending for the first time. So let me tell you this, we do this live session every alternate Wednesday. So once in fortnight, every alternate Wednesday we do that. Okay. And somebody's asking how to get the training recording video. So it will be uploaded in the same online training course which we provide. Okay. Who is sharing the, what do you say? Come on. Who's sharing the screen? Can you please, who is that? Sudhindra Kulkarni. Please do not share the screen. All right, so we do alternate Wednesdays, and this is the live program where you can ask your questions. So I get many queries, I get many messages. First, let me tell you all that whatever the queries you have, personal message you can send only to your sponsor. Even if you're sending me messages continuously, you keep sending me messages, I'm not going to reply you because it is not possible for me to reply 1,500 people. Hope you understand that. Okay. So personal messages you have to send only to your sponsor. It is your sponsor responsibility to sort out your issues. If your sponsor is not responding, you have our Facebook group. Put it in the group, whatever your queries, and people are there to answer. Okay. So no private message, please. That's the first thing. Okay. No private message. Do not send me any private message. You have to only put in the group or reach out to your sponsor. And the other option, you have this live program which we are having. So this we do, as I told you, we are doing alternate Wednesday. And here you can ask all your queries, whatever you have. Okay. So today we are not going to have much topic, just little bit I have guidance. I will speak about that, and then after that I will address all your queries. Okay. So let me share my screen. So hope all of you can see my screen. And I'm logging into my Facebook account. Now see, many people ask me the coupon code, right? The training coupon code. And when I give the training coupon code, they don't know how to enroll it. They don't know how to use it, or they enroll again, they're not able to access it. All those things are there and they come back to me. Now, it is again a sponsor responsibility. A sponsor is not guiding you properly, which I want to tell everyone that when you get new sales, right? you have to guide your team. I have given one video that which you have to share to everyone. I've already shared this in the group. Probably it should be there in the announcement. Yes. So here is the link of this video. Okay. Either you can tag your team member to this, or you can take this link and give it to your team member. Here is the link. You can see here the video link. And I've clearly explained that when you get the new sales, each sponsor, they have to send this video first to their team members. Then only they will ask coupon code properly. Then only they know that it will take time. They will wait. Okay. And then only once they get the coupon code, they will be able to access it properly. So this video, nobody is sharing. And that's why all these people are facing problems. It's just pure sponsor problem. People who get sales, they are only bothered about money, I think. And after that, they are not guiding their team members. So all of you, I want to do these things that please take this link here. And when you get the sales, or those, all of you who have newly joined also, please take this link and please watch this video to learn when you get the coupon code, how to use it. It is not possible for me to, after giving code, I keep explaining you how to use it. Then you don't find it, you find any problem. Then I keep sorting out your issue. These things are not possible. Please understand that. It is not possible from my end, and I cannot invest so much time. I have my own work also. So that is why you all have to understand, you all have to learn to respect others' time and watch this video first before asking this thing. Not only you watch, make sure when you get the sales, you have to give it to your team members. So maybe your sponsor would not have given you, and that's why this is all problem coming. All those people who keep sending me messages. So this message, somebody saying I'm sharing properly, Usman, maybe one or two people. I'm telling you, because when I share the coupon code, they come back to me, sir, this is expired, this is not working, this link is not working. I don't know how to, yesterday it was working, today is not working, right? The link which I gave, it's only for one-time usage. That's why it's called as discount coupon code. If it can be used multiple times, then what is the use of coupon? You can send to everybody, right? What is the meaning of exclusive coupon then? So it's a one-time usage. So what happens, most of the people, they register today, again, tomorrow they're trying to access through the same link. They do not know where to log in. So they're trying to access from the same link. Obviously, the same link will not work. So this is what all these things I have explained in this business, as in this video, and I have shared the video so that you give it this to your team member, but it is not happening. All right. Some people are saying I'm waiting for the coupon code for the last 2 days. I have mentioned in this video that it takes 3 to 4 days. It takes 3 to 4 days. Then some sponsor come back to me that one of my team member has sent you a message, but he has not got the coupon code. That's it. Now he assumed that I am having 100 people messages. I will know who has sent this message, who is his team member, and I will go and send to him. Think like that. What you need to do, you have to share the profile link of your team member. Then only I will be able to check whether I have sent or not. So without check, sometimes they don't even mention the name and they expect me to reply. So this is how it is, right? So if suppose 3 days, somebody has not got for 2 to 3 days, somebody, you can send me a message only after 2 days, but not before that, only after 2 days. You can send me a message, but please make sure you are mentioning the profile link. Then only I can check. Or you want me to spend so much time and find out who is your team member and then these things. Right? So that is the things. So please use this video. All right. And then only please do not go out of the topic and send messages like this. I'm not getting this thing. First, let's just be on topic. And when I ask for the question, then you do it. All right. So this is how it is. If you send messages properly and if you wait, definitely you will get. All right. So please make sure that you are sending this to each and every team member. Somebody saying waiting for 5 days. Let me check, because yesterday I have cleared everyone. Yesterday I have cleared all the pending. It was cleared yesterday. So if 1 or 2 missed out, I request you to please send the message again so that it will come in my messenger list and then I will send it to you. Okay. So because yesterday I have cleared everyone. So those who have not got, I request you to please send the message once again. If you have not got, if somebody has, I have missed somebody. Okay, so this is what I wanted to talk about. These things very, very important. That this thing to share this video. This is number one. Number two, when I created this training videos, right? When we started the business 9 months before, that time Platinum was having the option of editing the funnel. So that's why in my video it is showing that how to edit the funnel. But now editing is not there. So please guide your team member, all those people, that now editing is not possible. All right. So either they have to use $25 one of funnel where they show $25 video in English. They have their own American English. So either you can share that, or if you want my video to share, you have to share directly YouTube link. You cannot use it in the funnel link. So you have to share directly. And after when they say they're interested, you can share your joining link, which you have account creation link. All right. So this is like, please make sure everyone that you are aware that funnel editing is now not possible in gold as well as in platinum. Funnel editing is not possible only from diamond onwards, not till platinum. So new account, they don't get that. All right. So that's it from my end. So now I'm open for the questions. If you have any questions, you can ask. I'm there to help you, but make sure the question is very specific. What exactly you are facing the challenge? If you are asking that, I'm there to answer you. If you tell me I have not got the coupon code, now this session I cannot send it. I have told you, you have not got the coupon code, please send a message again. If you have not got, I will send it by tonight or maximum by tomorrow. That's number one. Number two, if you say I don't get sales, you don't get sales because you're not following the process, right? And you don't have a specific question because you're not following the process. If you are following the process, you will definitely have a specific stage or specific challenge which you are facing and which you will ask, right? So it's too easy to say I'm not getting sales. That's what you will say. Why you're not getting sales, where you're getting stuck, be specific. If you're asking specific questions, it is going to be constructive discussion, and I'm going to answer you. I'm going to address your queries, and definitely that will help others also. Hope it's clear. So please make sure the questions are very specific. Okay, so now somebody has posted, from one post I had more than 200 leads worldwide, but I guess I'm lacking some to closing part. So kindly help how to convert all the negatives. So tell me what is the negatives, right? What is the specific questions? What are the questions they are telling you which you are not able to answer? What is the negativity first? If you go through the sales process, multiple videos, there are sales videos, okay? And if you understand Hindi, there is in latest sales process is there in the Hindi session also, and in English session also we have. So please watch all those training videos. People are not spending time on watching videos. You understand? They are only watching 1 or 2 videos, 3 videos, and they're starting doing work. They're not undergoing the entire training course. Because see, if you go through all the training course, whatever, I think 14, 15 sessions are there. If you go through all, in every sessions, different people are asking different kind of questions. And when I'm answering that, like what is the question right now? Same way. So if I answer those questions, you will learn from there. So that's why you have to watch at least 1 session every day to learn. Then only you will learn the business. Please focus. Please, invest your time in learning, and then only it will help you to do this business properly. Okay. Somebody saying, please speak Hindi. If you have any question in Hindi, please ask. I will answer. I will answer in Hindi. But general discussion, because for this session, the general language is English, so I will speak in English. Now again, somebody is asking how to generate leads. Now this is not a specific question, right? How to generate leads? I have given you the process. Probably you have not attended the training. Okay, you have not attended the training. If you attend the training, you will come to know how to generate leads. So I have already clearly told that if you again asking again same thing, I have not got the coupon code. I've told you if you not got the coupon code, send me the message. Please do not waste everybody's time by typing the same thing again and again and send. I'm talking same thing again and again. हमको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा तो आप ट्रेनिंग वीडियोस देखिए. मैंने आपको ट्रेनिंग वीडियोस दिया है, आपको ट्रेनिंग वीडियोस देखिएगा, 2 बार देखिए, 3 बार देखिए, आपको समझ में आएगा. What is the most important process for getting sales? So most important process is that first undergo the training, follow the steps, then only will this thing. It is just for the namesake. You guys are asking questions, but just we have to ask. There is no specific question. This shows that you are not working, you're not following the process. Because if you are following the process, you will get a specific question. Simple it is. Again, I did not get the coupon. Are you guys not listening to me? I'm telling you, if you have not got the coupon code, you have to send me the message again and you will get it by today or tomorrow. That's it. Now again and again writing the same thing, there is no use. I send video to my lead. So then what should I reply to that? Praveen Singh, please guide us how to get more leads. You have to do more promotions, right? 4 to 5 group promotion every day, right? You have to optimize your profile. First thing is that optimize your profile. If you do not optimize your profile, doesn't matter how much promotion you do, you will not get leads. So you have to optimize your Facebook profile, right? Please watch the training, how to optimize your Facebook profile. I have spoken in the sales training. Optimize your Facebook profile, then only you will get the leads. See, please do not expect me to give the same training which I have already given in the training course, like sales process, how it is, lead process, how it is. I'm here to handle question and answer. If you're facing any challenges, you will face challenges only if you follow the process. If you have not undergone the training, if you're not following the process, definitely it will not happen. Sir, I want payment from my lead and he is from Bangladesh. Please help me how it can possible. See, these questions many people are asking. I have mentioned last Wednesday, the session was for the payment gateways in different countries. You have a Stripe option here, okay? All over the world, not only for Bangladesh, not only for Pakistan, not only for Nepal, not only for Sri Lanka, anywhere in the world, you can raise invoice in Stripe. The invoice has to be in INR. From India, I'm talking about. You have to raise the invoice in INR and he has to make the payment using the card. If he doesn't have the international card, then it is his problem. This is not that how to get the money from Bangladesh. The problem is that he's not having international card. This problem is there in India also. So if somebody is interested in doing online business, it is the basic that he has to have international card. He wants to do online business, but he doesn't have international card, doesn't match. You understand? So if he doesn't have, he has to manage. Means he has to use his friends or relatives, anybody's card. If he tells you that nobody is in my family having international card, then he's telling you lies. He's lying, he's not interested. Simple. He has to go and find the solution if he wants to do the business. If he's really serious about the business, he will find the solution. You got it? You can send the invoice in a Stripe and he has to make the payment. Hope it's clear. How to handle people who says that they have no money or investment? Tell them not to do business. Why do you want to handle them? Invest your time only on those people. Those people who doesn't have money, who doesn't want to invest, don't even waste your time. No need to convince those people. You got it? No need to convince. First start losing leads. You cannot get sales if you don't lose leads. You understand? Most of the people try to convince everyone and that's why they don't get sales. You will get desperate. You will get frustrated that nobody is buying. Everybody's saying not interested. This is what will happen because you are wasting your time on junk leads. People who cannot invest, people who doesn't have money, they are your junk leads. Do not even, but the moment they say stop, that's it. No point of even negotiating, right? If you do not save your time for quality leads, you will never get sales. Keep that in mind. You will never get sales. You got it? First learn to lose leads. Then only you will get sales. If you're not losing your leads, you will never get sales because you don't have time to manage quality leads. You will never have time. Somebody says he is new to this business, so just how to start, watch the training videos. First go and watch the training videos given in $25 one-up. Get my training course also, online training course, and then watch those videos and follow the process. Attend the training, attend the training, attend the training. My lead is saying that $25 one-up is a referral system. What you say, that is important. What lead is saying, let them say, right? It is not a referral system. It is a sales process. I have explained this in every session, and I'm going to explain you again. I'm going to explain you again. This is not a referral system. This is not a referral business. You understand? Let's say, for example, I'm sure everybody knows, right? Rahul Bhatnagar, Saurabh Bhatnagar, everybody knows, right? Right? Now, they all have their training course. If you are affiliating those training course, do you think it's a referral business or it's a affiliate marketing? It is affiliate marketing because it teaches communication mastery, right? It teaches Facebook advertising, right? If suppose I tell you that I have created one course which teaches how to do yoga and I want you to affiliate that course, it is a referral business or it is a affiliate marketing? It is a referral affiliate marketing, you will say. But if I tell you that I have a training course which teaches how to do affiliate marketing, you think it is a referral course. It is a referral business. First thing you have to understand that $25 one-up is not a business. $25 one-up is a product. The business name is affiliate marketing. And you are affiliating a training product which teaches how to do affiliate marketing business. Hope it's clear. How I handle if someone says it's a scam? Don't handle. Lose the client, lose leads, don't handle, right? I have enough of my videos which says that how to handle the scam and all those things. You can share the video link and just leave it. That's it, right? People who find it a scam, let them be away. That's it. Do not waste your time on negative people. Do not waste your time on negative people. Is it possible to download training videos? If it is possible to download training videos, then what is the use? Why people will join here, right? If they can, everybody can get the training videos outside, right? You have to get the access and you have to watch the training videos there only. FB group link. Which FB group link? Which group link you are asking? I don't understand. How to take payment from Nigeria? Just now I have answered the question, right? First option, all these countries, Nigeria, they have PayPal. You can get in PayPal also. So get it from PayPal. Sir, isn't your video, but they pick up phone and tell, I will join later, what to do? I sent your video, okay, but they don't pick up phone and tell, they don't pick up phone, then how they say? Okay, you mean to say in messages they say. So either they're not interested, that's why they're pushing you, or they might have not seen the videos. You need to follow up. It's better to put a broadcast list so that you don't waste time on each individual. I never waste time in following up each individual. I create broadcast list. I keep adding everyone in the broadcast. And I send one message so that it goes to everyone. If they're interested, they will come. If they're not interested, they will not come. So I don't waste my time on individual follow-ups. How can I get PDF of this class? There is no PDF of this class. I send video to my leads, but okay, I've already answered. Kich Khushna Dukayat means what is that? Kish Khushna Dukayat. I really don't understand what it. Amol Jawale. I really don't understand what you have written. How can I get money from Bangladesh? I've already answered. I send video after some. I've already answered. How to get this session? As I said, this will be uploaded in the online training course. What will say if when someone says this is a scam? That's what I said. Do not try to see, work with positive people. Don't work with negative people. If they're saying a scam, let it be a scam for them, right? Work with positive people. Otherwise, you can share my video. I have enough videos to reply about that if somebody says a scam. how to approach people when we are not, who are not interested in learning, but more concentrated on making money. They are more interested for first sales to get back investment. How to approach people who are not interested in learning, but more concentrated on making money. So this, your sentence, your one part, you are saying that they are interested in making more money, but the second part, you are saying they're only interested in getting back their investment. So how do you think that they're interested in making more money? I don't understand that. What is your question? I really don't understand. I have very few followers on Instagram. How to increase them? So I'm not here doing Instagram coaching. I'm not here doing Instagram training. I'm doing in training how to sell this thing. You can keep posting in Instagram more and more. You have to be consistent. Every day you post more posts and stories, and slowly you will build, use proper hashtags, and you will slowly build. That's how it's a long-term game. So Keshav Agarwal is again saying the same thing, that I have not got the coupon code. It's 5 days. So I think this is the 10th time I'm saying that all those who have not got the coupon code, please send the message once again. By telling here, even if you say 20 people, I am not going to remember the name and I'm going to send you directly. I cannot stop this training and send the message to you. So the only solution you have, that you please send the message again, and I will send it by today or tomorrow. That's what I said. This is the 10th time I'm saying for the same thing. You keep writing the same thing again and again. There is no point. Sir, I have taken only gold membership. Is it necessary to take platinum to survive in such platform? We can't process through gold also. See, cannot survive, we cannot say, right? If you can do the sales on your own, you can do, right? But best way to do this business is platinum. That's what I can say, because you get the webinar support, right? So even if you are not able to do the sales, you can get the sales from the webinar. So that is why that is important. Sir, send cheat code. What is cheat code? How can I get money from Bangladesh? I have already answered. Please send, well, Hindi session will be there. Hindi session, when it will be there, it will be informed in the group. If you have any queries in Hindi, please ask. I'm there to answer you. Sir, I'm facing many problems in transaction. I'm 17 years old and I'm using my mom's debit card and phone pay, and mom don't have international debit card and Google Pay, also Paytm. So in that case, I can start. See, now please do not expect me to come and solve your personal problem. You understand? Google Pay required, Paytm required, phone pay required. You are doing online business. Now who is doing, where doing? You're 17 years old, you're 20 years old. I cannot get into that, right? Either you have to use your own or you have to use someone, but you need to have that, right? You have to be ready with that. That's it, I can say. After watching training videos, people are not understanding that what is our product. Can you please make new video on training, which you explained product clearly? Because sir, your way of explaining is improved and so easy now. Uploaded training video was old. Please make up new videos. So you are saying that 4 months before when I made the video, that time I was not able to explain properly. Now my explanation has improved. That's what you're saying. So that time I could not explain properly. It is just that you have not concentrated on the video, right? In every video, I have clearly explained about the product. In every session, training session also I explain about the product. And I'm telling you again, I'm explaining you again. So the product here is online training. The thing is that you are not ready to accept that there are some digital product also. You are only thinking that physical product is the product. Okay. So there are two kinds of product, physical product and digital products. What we are selling is a digital product. What kind of digital product? So in digital product, there are many kinds of, there are software, can be software and tools, can be digital products. Web related, like web hostings and all, which you are talking about, hostings, platform, email marketing. These are like digital product. And the third is online training, e-learning, right? That is called as digital information product. So that digital information product is what we are selling, right? Let's say, for example, you want to learn how to cook, you want to become chef. You go to online, you search, you will find many online courses, right? So you will pay for that online courses, you will purchase that online course. That online course which you are purchasing, that online course is digital information product. Hope you understood, right? Suppose you want to do digital marketing. There are so many online digital marketing courses that are available. Now you go and purchase one digital marketing course through which you want to learn digital marketing. That digital marketing course is called as digital information product. If you want to learn Facebook advertising, right? You purchase somebody's training program, Facebook advertising, right? That Facebook advertising course that which you have purchased, that is digital information product. If you want to learn affiliate marketing, you go and purchase some training which teaches you how to do affiliate marketing. That course training, online training, is digital information product. Same thing is $25 1UP. It's a digital information product. It's an online training which teaches people how to do affiliate marketing and online business. This product is the training for affiliate marketing business. You got it? Now, hope it's clear. Now, let me tell you in one more way. Suppose today you are new. You have not joined this business, okay? You are new. You want to do affiliate marketing. You want to make money online. That's why you're here, right? Now, how do you think you will be able to do it? Do you think automatically one day you will wake up and you will know how to do affiliate marketing business and you will start doing? Or you have to undergo a training program and learn? Of course, you have to undergo a training program and learn, right? So how will you learn? The training program which you have to undergo, that training program is $25 1UP, right? You learn how to do affiliate marketing business here. Clear? That's what the training. Okay, after learning, what you will do, right? You need a product to promote, isn't it? You need a product to promote. Now you learned affiliate marketing. You can take the product from ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus. You can take the product and you can sell those products. You will get 30-40% commission or 50% commission. I tell you, anyway, you need the product. I'm giving you a product which is same $25 1UP online training, which you have already purchased, which you have already used, which you have already undergone the training. If you sell this, you will get 100% commission. Now you tell me, if you have one product which gives you 50% commission, another product which gives you 100% commission, which product you will sell? Obviously the product which gives you 100% commission. So you will leave that product and you will sell this product. You hope you understood. So that product you are getting here, the same product which you have used. Then, okay, you decided that you will use $25 1UP as a product and you want to resell it. Okay. Then how will you resell? You have to do the promotion, and to do the campaigning, to do the promotion, you need the sales funnel. That sales funnels you find here. You got it? You get the sales funnels. Okay. Now you got the sales funnels. Now what you will do? Now you will go and do promotion. Now organic promotion, how will you do? You have to go to Facebook groups and promote. Which kind of group you should go? You get the list of the groups here in $25 1UP, list of the groups where you should go and promote. You're getting the list of the group. So that's your resources, right? Okay. After you've gone to the groups, what you will promote? You need the content. You have the pre-written content here. So you're not only getting training, you're also getting all the additional resources which are required to do this business. So training plus resources, what you are getting here in this product, and that is your product. Hope it's clear. That product is what, that whole system is what you are selling. Hope you have understood now. I have not been added to Facebook group yet. That's the problem you have with your sponsor. You have to ask your sponsor to add you in the Facebook group. Okay. मैंने मैसेज किया था लेकिन आपने रिप्लाई नहीं किया. किस बारे में मैसेज किया था? अगर आपने कूपन कोड के बारे में किया है और मैंने रिप्लाई नहीं किया तो आप फिर से एक मैसेज भेज दीजिए, मैं आपको रिप्लाई करूंगा. लेकिन अगर कूपन कोड के अलावा किसी और चीज में आपने मैसेज किया है तो मैं डेफिनेटली रिप्लाई नहीं करूंगा. क्योंकि आपको अपने डायरेक्ट स्पॉन्सर को कांटेक्ट करना है, मुझे नहीं कांटेक्ट करना है। 1500 लोग हैं ग्रुप में, मैं सभी को पर्सनली सपोर्ट नहीं कर सकता। आपको अगर और कोई क्वेरीज है, आप फेसबुक ग्रुप जो है अपना वहां क्वेरी पोस्ट कीजिए, राइट? या फिर ये जो अल्टरनेट वेडनेसडे लाइव होता है आप यहाँ पूछिए, बस। पर्सनली मैं रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर सकता। होप इट्स क्लियर। Can I start video for promoting the business? Why not? Please do. Make your own video. That will give you personal touch and that will be best way. Please do. My friend and I have been planning to buy a domain and use it for landing page of the affiliate business. Okay, but you cannot connect domain here. There is no outside domain can be connected here in this product. So if you want to create landing page, you need to use third-party tools. Like you have ClickFunnels, you have Builderall, where landing page and sales funnels builder, you have to use those software tools. You can connect your domain there and then you can use it. Like I use Builderall. Like if I would have sent Abdul Latif, like you are my team, so I would have sent you my link. You would have seen that is the Builderall. So I use my own specific domain. So we did work on various domain and name SEO parameters. Still, I suggest I ask you first, need your feedback. So I'm sorry, I don't think I understood your question. You want me to unmute you? Yes, Abdul Latif, I have just unmuted you. You can ask your question.
My friend and I, we both have been actually planning to like have our own domain. Okay. Because we both understood is like, since $25 is only a product, it's not a business as such. Okay. So there would be various other platforms for affiliate marketing. Okay. Which we would later have to use it. Okay. Maybe like, I mean, we shall have our landing page, and for our landing page, we shall have a website. Okay. Website, like, I mean, befitting this SEO parameters. Okay, which we both shall promote, and what we shall do is like, I mean, on that we shall just have maybe Google, Amazon or whatever, Flipkart or any other like all the available affiliate marketing tools, or like what you say, the earning sources. Okay, all at a place, and like, I mean, it would be helping us, like, apart from this $25 too.
I got your point. So you are saying not your, you mentioned that we will have our own domain. You mean to say that you'll have your own websites, maybe probably Absolutely. The blogging websites, where you will write articles and bloggings, reviews of the different products, and you will use $25 one product also and some other product also, which are there in Amazon or physical products or any other digital products on other network, and you will sell multiple products from that. So that's one of the best way to go about it. Right, that's one of the best, but only thing you have to keep in mind that be niche specific. Like, do not try to do too many products from different niche. You understand? Then you will not have proper visitors also. So it's always advisable to have your own niche. Like, for example, if you want to sell MMO products, you can have MMO niche blog, and you can sell all MMOs. Right? You can have any niche. Right? You can have blogging niche as a niche. Or you can have any kind of niche, like you can have running as a niche, marathon as a niche. You can have any kind of niche or micro niche and sell all the products which are related only to that niche. That's what's advisable. Hope you understand. Okay.
Besides, the last point, just like, I mean, the website is supposed to be a landing page in spite of rather using it for a blog or whatever. You got my point, because they're supposed to be a platform. Okay.
Correct. I got it.
It actually was our basic point.
So you mean to say you are creating in WordPress or something, right?
Anything like just, there is supposed to be a website, just a website where we can, like, add those affiliate things, because this is what actually affiliate marketing usually takes. Okay. A landing page, and this is what actually use your, like, I mean, traffic for your business, isn't it?
Exactly. That is how most of the affiliate marketers they do. Affiliate landing page is the most important thing, where you create an SEO, you do, and then you bring traffic to that, and from there you do the sales. You are absolutely right.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Thank you. How to use personal blog for business? So I think I have already answered, right? The same thing. Sir, if I'm gold and I got the sale for platinum, then I can sell. No, if you are gold, you cannot sell platinum. You understand? If your lead is purchasing platinum, it will go Above you, you're a sponsor, or whoever above him is the platinum. Okay. I have very few followers in Instagram already answered. Any PowerPoint PPT? No, we don't have any PowerPoint PPT. Do business according to your process. If your leads are asking you this, that, you will never get sales because you are giving the conversation control in the leads. You understand? If you are giving, you tell me one thing, people will understand more in video or in PPT. When you are sending video, he is asking you PPT. It is just that he has not watched the video. Simple. You got it? Waiting. Sir, if prospect understand only Hindi, can we bring them to our business? Yeah, but the product which you are selling is in English. At least a little bit he should understand, right? Little bit he can do the business in Hindi. That's not a problem. You can bring, but the money what he's paying for is for the it's online business. I think basic English so definitely should be there, right? Sir, how can I get money from Bangladesh? I've already answered. If you explain someone, join with somebody else. If I have explained someone and can he join with somebody else, in that case, what to do? Now, how to answer this? Right? How to answer this? How do you know that you have explained it and someone else has not explained? Right? Means you have explained it properly. How do you know? If you have explained properly, why the leads will go to someone else? So it is very, see, I will not get into all these things before joining and all those things. Then I think if I get into this, then every day I will be taking care only this. So I do not want to get into all these things. So many people are there. I do not want to get into these things. I do not want to answer this also. It's better. You need to have control on your leads. That's what I can say. If the course is in Hindi, it will be much flexible. So if in our course, if we the training program, which course you're talking about? My training course, or you're talking about $25 one-up? So $25 one-up is a US based company, and it's too much to expect them to have the course in Hindi. It's too much. As far as my training course, if you talk about, we have certain process in Hindi, which is uploaded there, which is main process like sales process, lead generation. And whenever further we will do Hindi session, we will upload that. So main things which are required, that's there in Hindi also and English also. And definitely if they're doing online business, they need to know little bit basic English at least. Sir, आपकी वीडियो कहाँ से ले? कौन सी वीडियो you're talking about? You're talking about training course or you're talking about presentation video? If you want presentation video, it's there in my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Online Wisdom with Ayaz, and you can get all these things. So, sir, you're talking about the training session in my login, $25. I don't know for which thing you're talking about. There are two training. You are getting training in $25 one-up about affiliate marketing. And there are one training which you get from my training course, which teaches you how to sell $25 one-up. Who can add a newbie to the Facebook group? Only the sponsor has to add. Only the sponsor has to add to the new Facebook groups, and admin will approve. That's it. And every day, at least twice or thrice, I log in and approve whichever is pending. And please don't send me any reminder message that this is my person I have added. Please approve. Please don't do all these things. Right? I'm already full of messages, and please don't increase my messages. Sir, I'm joint person. So which course I should sell? You're teaching. I'm teaching how to sell $25 one-up. You have to sell $25 one-up, not my teaching. $25 one-up training course you have to sell. Sir, I've joined just 2 days ago. They asked me how much money you have earned. What answer do I give? So that is why I say if you join Platinum, You can invite people for the webinar where I give presentation. So they will not ask about your earning, because they will see my earning. They will see all the testimonials which I am giving. So if you are a platinum, please schedule for webinar. That's what I can say. If you are gold, then everybody starts with zero, right? You have to share you can say I have just joined, but I have so many of my colleagues and my team members who are earning, and these are the earning proof of these people. So you can also learn and you can also earn here. So present the whole team, not individual sales. But if you are platinum, that's the support we provide. That's why when you send people leads to webinar, they don't ask your earning, because I'm showing my earning, right? You say optimize the profile. Your profile is the worst. Thank you so much, Event to Caesar. I know your profile is fake and I know what you have been doing. And definitely my profile is the worst in your eyes. And now he's gone. After typing, he has gone. Event D'Souza. He's not there. Probably he has changed the name, because I know he has changed the name. He's there in our group and he is changing. So I'm sure he's listening to me. So you can do, bro, whatever you want to do. You can continue doing it. You are changing the name. You are making the fake profile and sending message to everyone. Keep sending. Right? Nothing is going to happen. My sponsor tried adding me to the Facebook group. I cannot go and tell you what your sponsor tried, right? I don't know. If they add, it will go to pending. I will approve. I do every day twice. You have to, if it is done today, 1 hour before, then I can't do anything. Because today evening also I have approved everything, whatever was pending. After that, if he has added, I don't know anything. So training, please, Hindi, English, Hindi and English. That is what मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर आपको कुछ भी क्वेश्चन है आप पूछिए, मैं आपको रिप्लाई करने के लिए रेडी हूँ. Is it possible to begin saying this? Event D'Souza is telling me stop preaching what you don't follow. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Everyone sending Kulwant Negi screenshot about scam. Can we block all Facebook users Facebook and feel lonely? You think that everyone is having Kulwant Negi screenshot? Then I don't know. You are in dream world. Then how so many sales are happening every day? How every day so many sales are happening? It's clear, right? If everybody is having that Kulwant Singh, and so what? Every day I have got sales who has come up with the Kulwant Negi scam report, right? And I have shown them live what it is, and he has purchased. So what if they're becoming with Kulwant? See, people are not a blind followers. That if I go and say this thing, he will accept. Kulwant Negi goes and see, they will accept. Nobody is blind followers to anyone. Okay, everybody knows. If you show them facts, they will accept. It's all about everybody is a smarter. Right? Like our Event D'Souza sir, he has been sending to all new joiners messages that this is a scam, this thing, that thing. What is happening? Our business is stop or what? Every day it is happening, right? So this message was to Event D'Souza sir. How I handle if someone says it's a scam? I've already answered. How our profile will optimize? Please attend the training I have mentioned there. In India, we make sale. What are the commercial implications? In India, when we make sales, what are the commercial implications? Please be clear. What is your question? Gyandev and you are creating fake IDs by just investing this thing. If you are not fake, if you are so true, then why don't you show your identity? Why are you you are preaching like this? You are with your fake profile. If you are so true, Mr. Ivan D'Souza, which is not your real name, but whatever it is, all right. Why do you use fake identity and preach others? And you are thinking, the fake people always think that others are doing fake activity. That's how it happens, right? So that's how it is. Somebody is asking anybody from Kerala, somebody is asking anybody from Odisha, what do you want to do with that? Come on. Sir, what to do when the international client of payment specific PayPal? Sir, what to do when there is international client for payment specific PayPal? What is your question? I did not understand. Sir, I'm platinum member, done with the first sale gold, second sale platinum within 2 days. Can you explain how roll-ups will work? So first sale you did gold, second sale you will do gold plus platinum. So for your gold it will be second sales, platinum it will be first sale. So gold approval will go to your sponsor. You have to pay gold amount to your sponsor. Platinum you have to keep. Hope it's clear. Got it? Gold and platinum treated as separately. What about paying income tax on income? Yeah, you pay income tax on income. Whatever income you are getting, you show to your government that this is the income I have got. Income tax is always on self-declaration. You have to declare that I have earned this much and pay tax for that. Simple. Please contact your chartered accountant for all these things. Sir, I have a lead from Nepal, but I'm not able to convert him because of the bank issue. He has account in HDFC Bank, but his Google Pay is not working in Nepal. Is there any other option available? So other option, he is not having international, okay, Google Pay. He's having international card or not. You can raise the Stripe invoice and ask him to make payment. If he doesn't have international card, I'm sure his friends or relative will have Visa or Master international card. He has to use that. Simple. Use a Stripe. What peoples are gone after the registered? What can I do? Follow them up. I told you, have the broadcast, keep sending the follow-up message. Someday they will come. Is it possible to download training videos? No, I have already answered. Is there an option to take payments by card as a Stripe? Is any option to take payment by card as a Stripe to Sri Lanka? To Sri Lanka means Stripe is not there in Sri Lanka. You understand? I'm talking about the India. Stripe is not there in Sri Lanka. So you cannot receive the money in Stripe. It is only for India I'm talking about. How to make payment from Nigeria? PayPal. So sir, you are talking about the training session in login $25 one up, right? Again, for which training you're talking about? I've told 2 training again and again. I don't know what you're, see, that's why I'm telling you, whatever your question, put it in one message and send. If you tell, if one line you would have sent 10 messages before and now you send 10 messages, there is no use. I don't understand. What I've been talking about both the trainings, which in what context you're saying, I really don't understand, right? Which context you're saying, which training? You're saying, I'm talking about training session. I have spoken about both training sessions. I have spoken about $25 one-up training session also. I have spoken about my training session also. I really don't know which training session you are referring to, which I spoke. I really don't know. So please, what is your queries? Please be specific. Write everything in one message and send. If you send multiple messages, it's in between, somebody else sends, and then it will not be there. So please draft in one message and send. Sir, clients are not trusting this business. They are afraid. Clients are very much trusting. Every day we are getting 35, 40, 50 sales every day. You understand? So clients are very much trusting. There are people who has to do doubt. They will keep on doubting. Please focus on quality leads. Clients are very much trusting and we are getting sales every day. Not only we, there are so many people, right, are getting sales every day, and every day at least 40 people are joining. So if clients are not trusting, so what do you think? Why did you trust? You think that all are intelligent and you are not? Tell me. So clients are definitely trusting. Sir, abhi international payment activate nahi kar raha hai bank. I did not understand. Which bank is not activating international abhi? I'm doing payment every day. All the banks are there working. If you are going to government bank, not abhi, wo kabhi nahi karta tha. So if you are going to Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, it's not abhi, wo kabhi nahi karta tha. समझ में आ गया? Sir, how I know my lead is quality or not? What is the sign of quality people? Good question. So before sending, what is happening before sending the post, what is it? Your videos are about business. You need to ask about the people. You need to ask what he is doing, right? What he like. If he tells you I'm a student, I'm very poor in starting itself, I don't even bother. I don't respond. You understand? I look for the people who is at least 23 plus, right? Some exceptional student I go if they really show interest, like they're sending multiple messages and I go through his Facebook profile and I find that, okay, profile looks good. Then I go to some student, but normally I avoid students, okay? I go above 23 years age, people who says I'm working or I was working, right? So those things I see in quality leads. And I avoid from certain countries where like for example you are having problems in getting payment from this country, that country, I actually avoid, right? I work only on those countries where I can get the payment properly. That's what called quality leads. Hope it is there. Is it possible to, sir, I don't have bank account in international bank, so how payment will be done? If you don't have, open the bank account, right? You don't have, open a bank account. You can open Kotak 811 zero balance account. In 5 minutes, you can open account in mobile app itself by using your Aadhaar card. You can go to the nearest Kotak Bank branch and do the KYC completed. Done. Sir, आपसे कहाँ से हो? Where are you from? So I'm from Calcutta, living in Chennai. YouTube video comments demotivated products. So see, it is, they're only giving you excuses. I tell you, if you have 10 comments, one comments will be negative, but 9 positive comments they don't see, and one negative comment they demotivate them. Then I don't know what to say. You understand? It doesn't happen to me. It is just that they're making excuse. See the people. I tell you one thing. Somebody asked, no, that somebody asked me sometime in the group that what is the legal proof of the company and all those things. You know who will ask you all these things? People who are not interested. You understand? They are just trying to justify that why they are not interested. You got it? So in same YouTube videos, you will find 20 positive videos, comments that is not motivating to them, and one negative comments demotivate them. That shows their motivation level. You understand? So it is just that they're not interested. They make a lot of excuses. Hope you understand. That's how it is. Now, Event D'Souza has changed the name to Gyamdev Gupta. Okay, name he has changed Gyamdev Gupta. This is a scam. And he's changing the name regularly. Definitely now Gyamdev will not be there. So I'm sure Gyamdev is not attending the webinar. So let me remove Gyamdev. Event D'Souza was changing the name Gyamdev. This is a scam. Stop scamming. Gyamdev is saying that. Nice name they choose. Somehow actually I found it that who is he, and then I did remove from the webinar. Yes, so now we go. Sudhindra Kunal, if I have explained someone and can he join with somebody else? I've already answered. Same question again and again. Who can add newbie? Done. Sir, I have, no, what is the third party autoresponder? I'm not so clear about it, thought I watched the videos. So there is one autoresponder inbuilt in the system, which you can send the broadcast or you can send the message to your leads. But if you want to integrate third-party autoresponder, means there are a lot of autoresponder outside. You don't want to use the autoresponder which is there in $25 one up. You want to use GetResponse or Aweber. These are separate software autoresponder email marketing tools. You can integrate that. You have the provision here to integrate Aweber or GetResponse. Only these two. There are many other autoresponder like MailChimp and all. You cannot integrate that. Only Aweber and GetResponse is allowed if you have the account. These are paid tools. It doesn't come free of cost. That if you have that account, you can integrate here. Sir, I have a big problem. Most of my clients asking that is it halal or haram at Islamic point of view. Please elaborate in details. So selling a product is never a haram. I do not want to speak religion here, but since you have asked the question, I'm telling you, we are only selling a training product. I create one training product. See, if the training is about anything else, suppose this training is about Facebook advertising, then it becomes halal. If the training is about anything else and selling that training product is halal. And you are saying that if it is about affiliate marketing, if somebody, you want to do affiliate marketing, but if somebody teach affiliate marketing, it is haram. How it is possible? Yeah, come on, have some own common sense. What everybody is telling, have your own common sense, please. Come on. सर आपके प्रेजेंटेशन वॉच करने के बाद फिर कहते हैं कि मनी नहीं है, तो नहीं है तो नहीं कर सकते. सब लोग नहीं बिजनेस करेंगे ना. दैट इज वाई सब लोग सक्सेसफुल नहीं है ना. मनी नहीं है तो ऑटोमेटिक तुमको मनी आ नहीं जाएगा. मनी आने काम करने का दो ही तरीका है, या तो जॉब करें या बिजनेस करें. अगर जॉब करना है तो जॉब करें, बिजनेस करना है तो कोई भी ऐसा बिजनेस नहीं होता जहां इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं होता. तो अगर नहीं है तो नहीं कर सकते पैसा, खत्म बात. आप उनको पॉजिटिव मैसेजेस भेजते रहिए, उनका लोग इंटरेस्ट होगा तो आएंगे. जिनको नहीं है इंटरेस्टेड, पैसे नहीं है तो नहीं कर सकते. उसमें मैं क्या बोलूं, अब उनके लिए मैं पैसा तो पे नहीं कर सकता ना. तो आप मतलब मैं समझ नहीं रहा हूँ कि आप क्या क्वेश्चन एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं मेरे से. मैं क्या बोलूं कि ठीक है उनको लेके आइए, मैं पे कर दूंगा उनका. बोलिए. People are comparing $25 one-offs. I have created the video. You have to use the video. I have created the video, explain that this is not MLM. I have video in Hindi, I have video in English, right? I don't know all of you are aware or not. See, you have to go to YouTube, and in YouTube you have to go to Online Wisdom with Ayaz. That's my channel. Online Wisdom with Ayaz. Okay, so this is my channel. And you can see the video here. So this is, you can subscribe for the channel if you are not, so that you get all the updates. So this is here, meet my, this is the Shivam Gupta's one-to-one discussion we did. This is Bhanu Pratap testimonials. And see, I have the video here. Let me go to all videos. Let me go to the channel. Go to all videos. So MLM. So this is, you can see, $25 one up, MLM or not. This is in Hindi, and we also have in this is in English. You can see here, this is in English, this is in Hindi. This is MLM or not. If somebody tells you it is a scam, we have this Hindi, this is in a scam. You can see here, you have the video here. You can share this video which talks about the scam. If somebody shows you that AVS Tech video, AVS Tech, that it is a scam, we have the AVS Tech video response. Where is that? Yeah, this is the video. This video is in the response of AVS Tech fake review. So you have that, okay? So you have so much resources to show, right? If somebody tells you a scam, if somebody tells you what do you say, MLM, you have the resources first to show, right? And for presentation, if you are gold, you have this presentation. Okay, this is the video, $25 one-up exclusive presentation for our team. If somebody tells you what do you say, if you are platinum, then you have this one Hindi video, and then you have this English video. This is English video. So this is how it is. So Online Wisdom with Ayaz, that's my channel. And you will watch these videos, you will understand not only these videos. If you watch other videos, you will learn many things about the business. You will get all the positive information about the business, right? And how to handle. You have the link, just show the link and you will get it. Muhammad Sheikh, my sponsor, have joined me in $25 one up and he ran away BizGurukul. Now guiding me $25 one up, not guiding me in $25, asking me to join BizGurukul. So now you know that how is your sponsor then. One time he has already left you and then he's gone. Now you think that, now you decide, it is between you. Now if you, one time he has, you know, you have paid the money and still he is doing like that. And again, he's asking you to do like, so then you know what to do. I don't know. I don't have to tell you this thing. Can we show government that we are earning from $25 one up, and will it be transparent everywhere in the terms of legality? I have newly joined as platinum. Government will not ask you that from this thing. You can show that this is my income, affiliate earning, online income commission which I have done right on this business. You can show that selling this online sales commission. And that's it. That's the tax you show. So I don't think more than this you need to show anything. And if you required, you can show the platform. Yes, from here I want. As long as if you are hiding the tax, it is the problem. Money. If you are not hiding, you are paying the money. It is never a problem. My question is on commercial application. Do I have to raise invoice for selling the product, but I'm not registered reseller? So if you are, see, it depends on your accounting. If you're not registered reseller, then I don't think you need invoice, right? But if you want, like suppose you're selling in the company name or something where you have the GST already in your PAN card, suppose you have personal PAN card and you have GST is already registered to that, then definitely you need to raise invoice, right? You have to raise the invoice and keep it. But if it is not registered, it is not required. That's what I can say. But please, I'm not a, accounting expert. Based on my knowledge, I have guided. I request you to please meet your chartered accountant and get the proper this thing. Please do not take this as my this thing, because I'm not expert in that. Okay. Can we use current account or saving account for daily transaction? Is there any issue if we have saving account for regular money transaction like 8,000 to 10,000? Can we use current account? Same thing again and again, messages 3 times, same thing. Okay. If you have current account, you can use. If you don't have, you can use saving account also. Okay. I'm using saving account, but I'm having different accounts. So for Google Pay, I use different account. For direct payment, I'm using this different bank account. For Paytm, I'm using different bank account. So I have 3 to 4 bank accounts. If my downline don't want to share his second sales, or he do not want to continue the works, what can we do? If he doesn't want to continue, done, it's over. If he doesn't want to continue. But if he wants to continue and doesn't want to share his second sale, it is not possible. It is not that his wish. Your automatic system is like that. It's not that he has to do any favor to you and come and share his second sale. Nobody is doing any favor. You understand? The system is designed like that. When he does first sales, he has to approve. It will show pay to this person. When he does second sales, automatically it comes to you. So system is designed. It is not that it is his wish. Sonam Tamang is, I have a question. Please do not say I have a question. Please type the question directly. Sir, please, how to convince the people, because they are saying we do not want to invest. We want security. So how to convince, in the sense, you see, if you show them the business opportunity, what is there, they will, if still they are telling you that I'm not interested, it is just that you are not able to sell it properly. Now, security means what kind of security they're asking. For 2,500 rupees or for $100, what kind of security they're asking? We are not investing in lakhs, and they're not investing in business. They are purchasing what security they want. They are purchasing a product. The product is getting immediately. So what security they want? They are getting the product immediately, right? They're not investing for the business. They are purchasing a training product, which they're getting it immediately. What security they want? Okay. Should we directly tell them about the investment so that people are ready to invest? We only need proceed, or what can we do? I do not say in advance. I show my video, because I will tell somebody about investment only if I show a complete business. So I never say about investment in advance, right? But I judge my clients whether they'll be able to do, they will be able to invest or not. And then only I proceed, but I don't talk about investment. My God, Nihal Prajapati is too much here. So many messages, same thing again and again. Sir, most of the digital marketing courses are getting online for free. What special content we are getting in $25 one-hour? Everything is free and everything is cost chargeable. You understand? Whatever they are getting here is available in free also, right? Even if there are many courses which you get in $100, $200, $500, nobody teaches something ajuba from somewhere. Everything is there available free of cost. You understand? If they want to learn in free of cost, if whatever they are getting here is there available free, so why they are not able to earn so much money till now? Why they are still looking for opportunity? They should have learned and they should have earned money. Why they are looking for opportunity then? So that if they know that this is available free of cost, then why they have not learned till now and started earning? Simple, right? So if they're not earning, means they have to learn, right? Yeah. Can we use current account or saving account for daily? Oh my God. Same thing. Avinash Panda and Nihal Prajapati, same question. They have copy pasted so many times. I'm removing you from the things. Nihal Prajapati, Avinash Panda. They have left already. Or they would have changed the name. Ivan D'Souza. How can we get payment from Dubai? PayPal. Dubai PayPal works. If my downline don't want to share his second, I've already answered. If they're saying they do not want to invest, please do not waste your time. Say no problem, thank you very much. If you do not reject leads and you do not lose leads, you will not get sales. This is the basic you have to understand. You understand? Most of you with the conversation, I'm thinking that you are trying, you people are like putting effort to convince everyone. That is the problem. A prospect asks, is the company listed in a stock market, or could you provide the permit details? Is it approved by Indian government? No, because they do not have any operation in India. They do not need any registration in India. You understand? It is we are going and purchasing a product, online training product from this thing. How many product you have purchased last 1 year or 2 years by seeing companies' legal document? Tell me that. Any product you have purchased online by seeing companies' legal document? You are not investing in business. You are purchasing a training product, right? And there are thousands of trainers which are individual trainers. I get my individual consulting. I do every day. I get clients, $100, $200 I charge. I'm not a registered. It's a knowledge-based, what do you say, product, right? Where the people's certificate or registration is not seen. Only the experience at what I have got. Based on that, I get the money, right? So it is not about documents here. It's not required. It is a US-based company. They have registered in US. That's it. It's online sales they do. They have the provision that anywhere the people from anywhere in the world, they can purchase the product. You understand? For example, I'm in India, okay? I'm in India and I create my own e-commerce store, any product. Let's say I'm selling Indian product, make in India product, okay? Product is manufactured in India. I'm creating a product. Now my website, e-commerce site, somebody from UK, they see the product, they see my website, they can see online, right? And they make the order, but they ask me, can you ship the product to UK? I say, yes, I can ship, right? Pay me the shipping charges. He purchased the product from me, and from India, I sent the product to UK. Do you think I need UK registration for that? What kind of question this is? Please understand. If I'm in India, I'm getting a customer from America, I'm sending my product to America. Do you think sending a product, I have to go and register in America? No, my operation is in India, I'm registered in India. Same way, this company is in US, I'm purchasing a product from US company, they don't need any registration in India. Hope it's clear, right? Can one person have two sponsors, like one gold and one second one platinum? No, it is not possible. There will be only one. Yes, it can. Sorry. If, for example, your sponsor is only gold, you purchase gold. Done. Now you went ahead and purchased platinum. You got it? Now your sponsor will change to the platinum because the platinum is somebody else. It will get changed. It will get changed, but it will not be two. It will be same. It will be only one. Can I know this? Know the scam replying video in English in your channel? Oh, I'm really sorry for a scam reply, because all these people have scam. They have told in Hindi. So I have replied because their audience have replied in Hindi. So I don't have a scam reply in English, but I will make it. I will make it. $25 वन अप की प्लेटिनम ट्रेनिंग कुछ समझ नहीं आया. क्यों समझ में नहीं आया? आप उसको बार बार देखिए, समझ में आएगा. फेसबुक का ट्रेनिंग है, यूट्यूब का ट्रेनिंग है, इंस्टाग्राम का ट्रेनिंग है. आप उसको फोकस लगे, फेसबुक अपना मैसेंजर बंद करके, व्हाट्सएप बंद करके देखिएगा तो समझ में आएगा. तो प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है कि वीडियो चलता रहता है, साथ में व्हाट्सएप मैसेज चलता रहता है, मैसेंजर चलता रहता है, समझ में नहीं आएगा. अगर आप हेडफोन लगा के उसको फोकस करके सुनिएगा तो समझ में आएगा ही आएगा. नहीं आएगा तो बार बार देखिए, 2 बार देखिए, 3 बार देखिए, समझ में आएगा. How to approach the people first? By big draft with details of the business or short without details? Just tell me your wish. So I asked people first, where are they from, what they're doing, right? I asked personal details about him, judge whether this profile is good or not, whether I should proceed or not. And then I send my messages. That's how it is. सर अगर $25 बिजनेस वेबसाइट ऑफ हो गया तो फिर हम क्या करेंगे? अगर हम कल बाहर निकले, मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो गया तो हम क्या करेंगे? ये कोई क्वेश्चन हुआ? क्यों ऑफ हो जाएगा? एवरी डे द कंपनी इज अर्निंग $1,000 डेली. $1,000 इस कंपनी से आ रहा है डेली. जो कंपनी का ओनर है एवरी डे इस प्लेटफॉर्म से $1,000 अर्न कर रहा है. तो क्यों ये वो क्या उसको मतलब क्या हुआ? पागल कुत्ता काटा है या क्या किया है कि वो वेबसाइट को बंद कर देगा? क्यों वेबसाइट को बंद करेगा? सोचने वाली बात है. और इतना 100% गारंटी कौन ले सकता है? जेट एयरवेज बंद हो गया, कोई पूछने गया कि क्यों बंद हो गया? हजारों लोग का जॉब छूट चला गया, कोई पूछने गया क्यों बंद हो गया? कम ऑन यार. मतलब कि यू पीपल आर टॉकिंग सो मच कि हम लोग पता नहीं इसमें कितना लाखों का इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, कंपनी का 10% स्टेक्स लेने जा रहे हैं. मतलब इतना सोच रहे हैं, इतना निगेटिव सोचेंगे तो निगेटिव ही सोचते रह जाएंगे. पॉजिटिव पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके बिजनेस करो यार, नहीं तो कभी नहीं कर पाएंगे. राइट? मैं 10 महीने से 9.5 महीना हो गया आपको बिजनेस ज्वाइन किए हुए. स्टार्टिंग में भी सब लोग यही बोल रहे थे कि कुछ महीना में बिजनेस बंद हो जाएगा. होने दो. मैंने $38,000 ऑलरेडी अर्न कर लिया 9 महीने में. होने दो. अब बिजनेस बंद के बारे में सोचते रहेंगे तो कौन सा कंपनी बोल सकते हैं बंद नहीं होगा? गवर्नमेंट कंपनी बोल सकते हैं बंद नहीं होगा? गवर्नमेंट कंपनी सब बंद हो रहा है, बैंक्स बंद हो रहा है. कैन यू गारंटी एनी कंपनी? कोई भी कंपनी का कोई गारंटी लेता है कि कंपनी कभी बंद नहीं होगा? कम ऑन. तो उसके बंद के बारे में सोचिएगा या बिजनेस कीजिएगा? बिजनेस कीजिए. फोकस ऑन पॉजिटिविटी. ऑल दिस नेगेटिविटी सोचते ही रह जाइएगा. क्यों वो बिजनेस कल बंद करेगा? डेली का $1,000 कमा रहा है वो इस प्लेटफॉर्म से. डेली का $1,000 से ऊपर. वो अपना एडिशनल सेल करता है, वो अलग. जो ओनर है वो अपना भी एडिशनल सेल करता है. वो he only focus on the enterprise and elite, $500 और $1000 का सेल. उसके अलावा जो एडमिन चार्जेस है उससे $1000 डेली का कमा रहा बिना कुछ किए बैठ के. क्यों बंद करेगा वो? Is our copyright issue till May 20? Where is written copyright issue till? Copyright कभी भी till नहीं लिखा रहता है. Copyright ये year हमेशा current year ही लिखा रहता है. Current year और last year हमेशा लिखा रहता है. कभी नहीं लिखा रहता है till this year. I don't know from where you got copyright till this year. What product I have to sell, I have already explained. I have watched 2-3 times, but I did not understand anything about FEMA. तो अब मैं क्या करूं बोलिए. अब मैं क्या आपको कैसे समझाऊं? आपके लिए मैं स्पेशल क्लास तो नहीं ले सकता. फेसबुक वहां ट्रेनिंग है, आप 2 बार 3 बार देख चुके, आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा, तो अब मैं इससे ज्यादा क्या बोल सकता हूं. आपने ट्रेनिंग के लिए पैसा पे किया, आपको ट्रेनिंग मिल गया. अब उसको आपको समझ में नहीं आता, आप स्पॉन्सर से मिलिए, क्या नहीं समझ में आ रहा आपको. Do I still need to pay? Do I still means what? Again, you are referring some other previous conversation, which I do not know. I do not remember your previous conversation. Why I need to pay him as he guided me the small process and as my said sponsor. If you do not pay, then you will not proceed. Only he has to approve. This is the system. You don't want to pay, it is your choice. Right? System is like that. Then you cannot continue the business. It is not that you are paying. You understand? You're not doing any favor. System is designed like that your second sales will be approved only by him. Period. You got it? It is not a manual process. It is automatically designed. It is not that everybody has to do favor by giving second sales to a sponsor. It is the system is designed. Sir, please tell how company earn money. Company is getting $10 on every, it's a royalty, right? On every sales, they're getting $10. In our team alone, we are doing 40 sales every day. In our team alone, there are other teams also all over the world. Even if they're doing 100 sales in a day, 100 into 10, $1,000. Only in gold and platinum, admin charges $10. Only gold and platinum. In diamond, it is $25. In enterprise, it's $50. In elite, it's $100. Imagine how much money they make every day. You got it? It's more than $1,000. सर जी, सिद्ध उपाध्याय, आपको जो कुछ ट्रेनिंग कोर्स मिलता है तो वही ट्रेनिंग कोर्स मिलता है. अब इसके लिए हम कहीं और से सीखें तो कहां से होगा? राइट? कोई और कोर्स ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा आपको. ये इस कोर्स के बारे में थोड़ी ना, ये मतलब कि मेरा ये है कि स्कूल का एक क्वेश्चन टेक्स्ट बुक भी है, उसके साथ क्वेश्चन आंसर का अलग बुक आता है, ऐसा थोड़ी ना. जो ये एक ट्रेनिंग कोर्स है, यही ट्रेनिंग कोर्स है. राइट? What about DDT? What is DDT? Tell me about this. This is my lead question. What is DDT? Or DDC you are asking about? I do not want to, I don't speak about any other business in this platform. हाँ, कूपन का रिप्लाई आज और कल में करते हैं पूरा. थैंक यू. जिनको भी कूपन का रिप्लाई नहीं मिला है, प्लीज सेंड मी द मैसेज अगेन. आई विल सेंड इट. Sir, when I approach people, some people say they was previously approached for gold, totally $20 with hosting fee. Can I sell the product $20? No, you cannot sell gold. Even yesterday post, TJ Holloway has clearly explained that if somebody is reducing the price, his account will be terminated. So if I come to know that you have sold gold less than $35, $35 I'm talking about, your account will be, I will make sure that your account is getting terminated. Right? And if you are selling gold in less than $35, you should not add them to our team group, and you should not ask them to ask for our training. If I come to know that you have sold gold and you have given the access to our training group or my training, I make sure that your account is terminated, period. Please tell how to optimize Facebook profile. Please attend the training, Abhishek Mishra. It is not possible to give you training in this session here. Okay. Please, we have given different session for that, and it's there in the training. What platform I need to work on affiliate marketing? Because I have no idea. I don't have any experience. Sir, give me answer. No, you're saying what platform I need to work. What platform you need to work in the sense affiliate marketing? There is no platform here. Product is $25 one-up, which you have to promote through social media and get sales. Once you get sales, you earn commission. That's how it is. I'm platinum member and facing difficulty to invite my leads to sales webinar, which they come to know that this is on Zoom and they immediately refuse to join. Although they are interested, but I plan to invite them on sales webinar. On the last Monday webinar, 4 leads refused to join Zoom. What should I? So you are now saying that everyone is like that. 4 people refuse to join. Let them refuse. We had 370 people attending last webinar. Now you tell me one thing. Which report I should buy? A report from your 4 people that everybody is refused. A report from 370 people. Last webinar, 370 people joined. Hope I've answered your question. And tomorrow again, you will see more than 300 or 400, 500 people will join. Right? So whether you want to keep talking about the negativity that these people are saying that one people, two people are saying this, you want to only focus on that, or whether you want to get more people, choice is yours. Right? If your focus is on negativity, you will get negative result. If your focus is on positivity, you will get positive result. Choice is absolutely yours, because the way you react, that makes you get result. Simple. You said no discount on gold. So what about platinum? Can we give discount for note? So here we are not giving in 110 or 100. Definitely not 100. 110 is the minimum, not below that. Okay. 110 we can sell platinum, right? And only in webinar as a bulk sale, we are giving this offer as a platinum, right? So what is it? Gold as a bonus. So it is not a discount. We are not reducing the price. Okay. We are giving as bonus. So that is different. We are giving gold as a bonus. It's different. Follow with this thing. We are not reducing the price. Platinum, we are selling in $100 plus $10 thing. With platinum, we are giving gold. That we can do. You got it? That is different. But we cannot reduce the price for gold. Even for platinum, we cannot go less than $110. Hope it's clear. Sir, please don't be angry. One question, our newbies will not like this. One question means what? What is there to get angry? Oh, please don't be angry on our question. Our newbies will not like this. I'm not getting angry. I'm just explaining you the fact. If you are judging me like that, it is your choice. I'm not getting angry. All right. That's how I react. You understand? That's how I react. I speak like that. What kind of question it is? That is how I react. That is how I speak. It doesn't mean that I'm getting angry. Okay. That's how my expression. So I request you not to focus on my expression and focus on the content. That will be helpful, because then you will learn more. Okay. Let's concentrate on that, not on my expression. Sir, when I post in Facebook group, some of $25 one of people come to the post and comment on my post that inbox me and take my leads from me. What I need to do with this kind of person? Block them, so that next tomorrow onward they don't see your post. Block them. Simple. Please don't be angry on question. Okay. Sir, how to tackle the question if lead says they will join if the website is from India? So how to tackle this people? What will I say? This is not for, I cannot make this from India. No. So then it's okay. Thank you very much. Right. See, unnecessary this thing. No, there's no point, right? I can answer if these kind of questions, there's no point to convince these people. See, whatever I'm teaching you, I'm telling you what I follow. If somebody comes to me and tell me like this is how I will react. That's what I'm teaching you. You got it? Post in Facebook group, some of this already done. If someone does not know English, how will they get? I have told this 100 times in my training. There is Hindi training also, main part. And English also, they can watch 2 to 3 times and they will understand. If they cannot understand even basic English, then it anyway it's going to be difficult. So I have Hindi process there, right? And if your team is not understanding, if you are understanding, you teach them. You are taking money from them, no? You teach them. You are speaking English so well, so I'm sure you know English and Hindi both, right? So you teach your team members. You are taking money. Now, do you think it's only my responsibility to teach them or what? You are taking money from them. Don't you think it's your responsibility to teach them? You know Hindi, right? Teach them. Simple. When is the next webinar? Which is specific day, week? So webinar is only for platinum. I cannot say that here. It is there in the platinum group. Please talk. If you are talking about this internal training, we do training every alternate Wednesday. Thank you, Mr. Bhardwaj. How to get more and more leads? Please attend the training. I have mentioned this. How to get leads. Lead generation session is there. Please attend that. Only specific questions, challenges I'm going to answer here. All right. I'm not going to provide training. Today, we don't have any training like that, any particular trainings. How to generate leads, if I have to start giving training, it will go 1.5 hour session. So this is question and answer session, and we are doing only question and answer today. All right, then thank you so much. Time is up. 1.5 hour is done. Thank you so much. Thanks, everyone. Wish you all the best. Please attend the training, follow the process, and you will get sales. Thank you so much. Thank you.